Hello everyone, so today I will share Korean food recipe that you can try at your home. Check this out.
Spam Kimchi Jjigae. Spam Kimchi Jjigae is the easiest kimchi stew you can make. Sour kimchi, a can of spam, onion, and chicken stock are all you need. Just dump them in a pot and simmer until soft. Kimchi Jjigae is agreeably the most common Korean stew. The classic kimchi stew made with well-fermented sour kimchi, fatty pork, and tofu is an indomitable of Korean home cooking. But when it comes to the simplicity of all Kimchi Jjigae with a big flavor, this Spam Kimchi Jjigae rises to the top. Spam is a brand of canned meat produced by Hormel Foods Corporation in the United States. Spam appeared in his 1936 and is an acronym for shoulder of pork and ham, and according to other sources he may also be spiced ham. By 1936, Hormel Foods was losing its place in the canned market. For marketing reasons, he renamed his canned food to his Spam. However, Spam's main promotion took place during World War II. Spam is distributed in large numbers to American soldiers. As Britain relied on imported beef, the population received about 2.5 kilograms of meat a month during the war, but Spam was sold relatively freely and thus became a major meat substitute. Spam in Korean home cooking. Apparently South Korea is the second biggest consumer of Spam. Spam became a king of canned foods in Korea. You will find large gift boxes full of Spam circulating in the stores of Korea during Chuseok and the Lunar New Year. As a Korean kitchen staple, Spam is a key ingredient for making Korean army stew, budai jigae, or widely used in Spam fried rice recipe. Key ingredient. All you need is 4 to 5 common ingredients that you can easily find. I like to add chunks of soft tofu in the stew because I just love the silky texture the tofu adds. 1. Kimchi. Make sure to use well-fermented cabbage kimchi for deeper flavor. 2. Onion. Adds sweetness and savoriness. 3. Spam. Use low sodium. 4. Chicken stock. A base for the stew. Use low sodium. 5. Tofu. Use soft tofu. It absorbs the flavorful stew broth and becomes savory. Recipe tips. If your kimchi is too sour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance out the acidic taste. Add half tablespoon of gochugaru to GH to add more heat and red color if you prefer more intense spiciness in the stew. Ingredients. 1 small onion, sliced. 1.5 pound fermented cabbage kimchi, diced. 3 tablespoons kimchi juice, kimchi liquid. 2.5 to 3 cup chicken stock. 1 can, 12 ounces, spam, low sodium, sliced. Half a pound soft tofu, sliced. 1 green onion, to garnish. Instructions. 1. In a soup pot, put onion and kimchi and toss together. Pour kimchi juice, liquid from kimchi, over. 2. Pour chicken stock over enough to cover kimchi and onion in a pot. Bring the stew to boil over high heat, then reduce the heat to low. Cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes until kimchi gets tender. 3. Arrange spam slices on top. Cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes until kimchi gets tender. 4. Add tofu slices and simmer the stew again for another 5 minutes or until everything is soft. Garnish with chopped green onion at last. Serve the stew hot with rice. Consumption area. 1. United States. The main advantages of spam domestically are affordability, availability and extended shelf life. According to statistics from the 1990s, the United States consumed 38,000 cans of spam every second, for a total of about 122 million cans consumed annually. It is part of the diet of nearly 30% of American households and is found in many parts of the state. 2. South Korea. In South Korea, spam is prevalent almost throughout the population. Spam is also used by US soldiers in South Korea as a means of exchanging goods, services, or information around bases. By 2004, South Korea produced and consumed more spam than any other country except the United States. 3. China. In mainland China, Hormel decided to adopt a different strategy to market spam. They advertised it as a foreign premium food and changed his spam formula to be meatier to suit local Chinese tastes.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. See you later.